Kung kahapon ay merong mga preliminaries na inayos ng dalawang panig, ngayong araw ang unang pagbabaybay natin ng mga witnesses, testimonies, and evidence for the articles of impeachment, and in particular the fourth article of impeachment, which is about the threats of VP Sara of death, of assassination to high-ranking government officials, and their families, so the president, the speaker or former speaker, and the first lady. So for us today, it is a time to strike a blow against impunity. Hindi natin hayaang manggaling ang ganitong kultura, lalo na sa namumuno sa ating bansa. Threats to kill are not covered by the freedom of expression. This freedom is limited where the rights of others are threatened. Kaya hindi po valid exercise of freedom of expression ang threats sa right to life. We just like to clarify that. And the culture of impunity has no place in governance. We must not let it go unchecked by delaying the impeachment trial further. And VP Sara's threats to assassinate are unprecedented not only in our history, but in the status of governments in the world today. It must not be normalized. Kahit pa at lalong-lalo kung sa simpleng mamamayan itong nakadirekta, dapat may accountability si VP Sara. And the bottom line is that the VP is an elected and accountable official, wala sa job description ang mag-joke sa harap ng mga journalists na magpapatay ng tao. Hindi ito ang gusto natin ituro sa ating kabataan. So I now pass the mic for